Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Bongnetic and I'm Pallavi with you guys. So guys, Durga Pujo is just knocking at your doors. It's less than 30 days. Like Durga Puja is coming in less than 30 days and we all are excited. So I just thought to share with you guys some makeup tutorials with you guys so that you can just recreate those on Durga Puja days. Like I'll be showing you like 6 different looks, that is for Panchami, Shoshti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami and Dashami. So I'll be sharing 6 different looks. This doesn't include in the days, like those days look. This is just a basic makeup tutorial which you guys can create at any time, like it may be day or night or any of the days. And this is just for the girls, those who like to do very minimal makeup, just very simple and minimal makeup. You can create this look at any time with any outfit, you whatever outfit you're wearing. If you're wearing something ethnic, you can just add up some gold over here. And if you want to just change this pink shadow, you can obviously add up some other shadows. It's up to you. You can recreate this in any way you want. So I just wanted to help you out with what products you can use and how you can use, what kind of look you can create. And whatever products that I'm going to use is all under 500, so it's very easy to get it. And all the links to the products that I use will be given in the description box below, so do check it. And if you like my video, don't forget to share with your friends because they also want to look beautiful and stunning in Durga Puja. So share with your friends, your family, your mommy, your chachi, your bua, your sister, bhabhi, with everyone. And give thumbs up to my video, obviously comment down and subscribe to my channel to join my family. My family is yet too small, I need to grow up my family, so do subscribe to my channel. And till then, keep watching my video.
So first I'm going to use the Patanjali aloe vera gel because this aloe vera gel acts as a primer and makes your makeup last long because it's a budget friendly makeup. So I'm going to use aloe vera gel as my primer. It's the yellow concealer from NY and I'm using an yellow concealer because the foundation which I'm going to use is way lighter to my skin tone, so I just want to correct the darkness from my face using the yellow concealer. Then I'm going to blend the yellow color corrector with my damp beauty blender, which is from PAC. And just be careful guys, when you're using a color corrector, maybe it's yellow, orange or green, just be careful with the amount of product you're using because by mistakenly I took a lot of yellow color corrector and it just made a little bit problem to blend out. But NY color correctors blends really seamlessly, so you should give it a try. Okay guys, now when my face is way too yellow, I'm going to use the Pond's BB cream as my base and as my concealer as well. So I'm going to take 2 pumps of this BB cream and spread it all over my face. I'm just taking 2 pumps. You can take as many pumps as you want. It depends on the coverage you want. I'm taking 2 pumps because this BB cream makes my face white. That is the reason I had put yellow concealer before. And don't forget to put it on your neck. Let it be your foundation, your BB cream or CC cream. Don't forget to put it on your neck, or otherwise it will just look very weird. Your face different color, your neck different color, it looks very weird. So put it on your neck as well. So for my under eyes, I need a little bit more coverage, so I'm going to use the same BB cream as my concealer. Okay guys, to now set my face, my under eyes and that full face which is looking way too oily, I'm going to set my face using the Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm going to use the powder shade from there. I'm going to set my under eyes, my face with that shade only.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
And I'm going to use the same palette from Wet n Wild to contour my face, my cheekbone, my jawline, my forehead, my nose.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
To fill my eyebrows, I'm going to use the eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire. This is in the shade dark brown. And I'm going to first brush my hair and then fill my brows.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the
Let's get started with the eye look. And for my eye look, first I'm going to use the Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm going to take the contour shade and put it on my crease, my outer corner as my transition shade. And a contour shade just makes easier if you don't have an eyeshadow. You can just use a contour shade and put it all over your eyes, eyelids, crease, and it just makes your look complete just with a contour shade.
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Just to add up some color on my eye look, I'm going to use the blush that is from Sugar as my eyeshadow. It looks amazing because the shade is a very nice coral shade. It looks really nice with my full look. It went really amazing. I just put it on all over my lid and it looked amazing. If you guys want, you can obviously change this color as your preference. Now for my eyeliner, I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Shine line, and this eyeliner has an amazing tip which makes your wing liner much easier.
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Okay guys, so for now I'm going to use the Lotus mascara because this is a budget friendly makeup tutorial. So I had this mascara which is really inexpensive, but guys, you know how much I love Maybelline mascara, and I would not recommend you to get this Lotus mascara because this is very bad mascara really, and you guys want a good mascara in this Durga Puja, right? So get a good mascara from Maybelline, invest a little bit more money and get a good mascara from Maybelline. I'm going to use the Sugar blush, and it's the same color I use for my eyelid. So this Durga Puja, you want your skin to glow, so for that I'm going to use the Maybelline strobing cream, and I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and just blend it on the high points of my face. I'm also going to blend it with my fingers because it just made it more easier. Come on guys, let it be day or night, we want to glow all the time, so it's better to use a strobing cream than a powder highlighter. And if you want to glow more, you can just mix the strobing cream with your foundation and it will look amazing. Okay guys, now for the best part of the makeup, that is lipstick. And today I'm going to use the lipstick from Sugar from the range Vivid Matte, and this is just an amazing shade. It's a rosy pink color which goes really nice with my eye look. Okay guys, so in this Durga Puja, in that crowd, hot, humid weather, you want your makeup to stay, and for that I'm going to use anyday makeup setting spray. It's very affordable and amazing.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Okay guys, so I hope you like this makeup tutorial. If you like this, share with your friends and like my video, subscribe to my channel and comment down. Till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Tada!